this video, I'll be doing an unboxing, review and usage on the new DEWALT compound miter saw, the DCS 781N. Let's get straight into it. So in the box you'll get the 3-year warranty, a manual, which I don't think anyone actually ever reads. You've also got a dust collection bag, 2 handlebars, one for each side, a stabilizer bar, a vertical clamp, and an Allen key. And obviously the chop saw. So right now I'm going to pull it together real quick and get into the usage. DEWALT have also sent out a FlexVolt 9Ah battery to get an amazing amount of cuts. But you'll see further in the video, I do about 200 cuts today on a 6Ah battery and it lasted all day. Because the battery doesn't come charged, I am going to put it on charge in my beautiful DEWALT charger box. And we're going to use a 6Ah for today. So I've got a lot of cuts to do. I'm going to use the miter saw throughout the whole day and tell you what I think. An amazing feature about the miter saw is it can connect to the DEWALT dust extractor through Bluetooth. All you need to do is hold in this button here while pressing the miter saw trigger and it will just connect. And I love this feature because it saves battery, and a lot of the time I just forget to press the button. But with this, it automatically collects the dust as soon as you press the trigger. It's amazing. So the way that I'm doing my cuts so fast, not because of the time lapse, is because, well, yeah, it's because of the time lapse, but I'm also doing it fast in real time. And the way that I'm doing this is I'm using the miter saw stand as a type of guide. So here I'm just taking off the handle real quick, which you do this with the Allen key provided, or you can use your own Allen key. And the handles are really easy to take off. So here I'm just using the end of the miter saw stand, and I've got the piece of moulding that I want all my cuts to be sized to. I lock it in place and then literally just slide up any cut, ensuring that it has a miter on the other side, and just keep cutting. Should all be the same size. So nice little jigger made there. sides. Okay, so I've literally just done for today, and it has just gotten to 1 bar. So fairly decent. It didn't die for the whole day that I was using it. So yeah, and this is the 6Ah battery, not the 9Ah battery that they supplied. So with the 9Ah battery, it would have lasted me way longer as well. So yeah, pretty impressed. I'm happy. I'm very happy. But for the dust extractor, I would say it is very good, but it drains off battery. It drains battery like crazy. So it's very important to connect the mitre saw with the dust extractor, just so you're saving a bit of battery. So as soon as you release the trigger, it turns off. As soon as you put the trigger on, it turns on. So you're saving a bit of battery rather than clicking it on and then waiting, clicking it off. And also you're saving time because you don't need to keep clicking it on and off. So yeah, it's a very amazing feature, having it, being able to have it connected to the mitre saw like that. So whenever the mitre saw turns on, it turns on the dust extractor. So first, my honest opinion, it's amazing. It is amazing. A lot of people say it's big, bulky. I don't know what they're on about. It is, as you can see, it's compact. It is compact. It's quite, for the depth of which it cuts, it is quite compact. You literally just clip this off here. And then that releases it. You've got a trigger underneath to release, so you can get the right angle you want. Left side goes up to 50, clips in 45, but you can pull it into 50, and then you just push that down. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Clip it back up, can go anywhere, and you can do that for any measurement. So if you want, let's say 10, it doesn't clip into 10, so you just push it down. It's not going anywhere. It's literally not going anywhere. Okay, clip it back up, and this side goes all the way to 60, and it clips in to 60. Double beveled, and as you can see at the back, all you do is release a trigger on the back, and then release this trigger. As you can see, just literally just release it, and now it should, yep, bevel to each side, 45. Easy. The guards come off very easy. All you need to do is release it and it comes off, and it's easy to put back on as well. Literally just slide it back on. Everything is well built. Everything is well built. Everything is well built and well made. And yeah, so literally just put this back up now. Can pull it back, clip it back in place. If you want to do the depth of cuts, so you just literally flick this down on the side and you can do your depth cut. So if you want to do like your mortise, tenons, all of that type of stuff, then literally you can get the right depth just by turning this here. I've done a lot of cuts. It has got a bit messy because one of the days I wasn't using my dust extractor. But yeah, the next thing I need to get is a leaf blower, because it'll be very easy and nice to just blow away all the dust once you're finished. But yeah, it is an amazing, I've got no faults with it at all. I can't think of no faults. It's amazing. It does deep cuts. It's compact. It's, well, lightweight for me, and yeah, it's just an amazing piece of kit. I recommend you getting one. But yeah, amazing tool, and it's just great to have in your toolkit, especially if you're a carpenter. Here's a quick little size comparison. I'm only 5'7", so yeah, a midget. But this is how it looks compared to me.